First of all, starting with the beautiful name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Anyway, thank you so much guys for tuning in Spoken English Corner again. And I am so pleased to have you with me guys. Today I am here with another important lesson for you guys. The lesson is about may. So first of all, what is may? May is a modal verb. So if you are concerned about that, what does it mean by modal verb? So you have to watch my first lesson regarding modal verb where I explained that what is modal verb. So go and watch that lesson. You will find the link of that lesson in the description below. So go and watch that lesson. You will find a lot of things from it. So here move towards may. So may is used for some other situation. The first one of those situations, that is possibility. So first of all, what is possibility? Possibility means something which are possible to happen. I hope you got my point, that what is possibility? Something which are possible to provoke. Like look, here I have made few examples regarding possibility. With the help of these examples, I want to clear your idea or your concept. Look, it may snow tonight. So this example shows the possibility. The another example is she may have forgotten about the math paper tomorrow. Here a girl, she may have forgotten about the math paper tomorrow. We need to give a reminder to her. So this example shows the possibility. I am going to make another example regarding possibility. We may organize a tour to Canada tomorrow. We may organize a tour to Canada tomorrow. This example also shows the possibility. I hope you got my point regarding possibility. So moving ahead from possibility, here is another situation. Like may is also used for these situations. Like with the help of may, you can also express your feelings. So here I have made one example regarding wish. May you both live a happy marriage life. May you both live a happy marriage life. So this example shows the wish of someone. And with the help of wish, you can also pray for someone. So I'm going to clear your concept with the help of another example, which is really simple. That is like, may this year brings a lot of happiness for you. May this year brings a lot of happiness for you. So this example shows about pray. Like a person is praying for someone. May this year brings a lot of happiness for you. So that's all about may in shortened word. So before moving towards another situation which I'm gonna explain you guys today, if you people are new here on my channel and watching my video at first time, so go and click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on bell icon, because that minimum effort would be more and more beneficial for you guys in future, because here on this channel I am uploading many important information regarding spoken English, and in future I will give you tips and tricks regarding fluency, like which things will make you more fluent. So just stay tuned with me for another important situation which I'm gonna teach you guys today. Thank you so much my dear students, if you are still being here with me. So without wasting of your precious time, so let's rock towards the remaining part of the lesson. Here, that is for permissions. At the beginning I told you that may is used for some other situations. First and second I explained. Now this is the third one, for permission. May is used for permission. Like here is two options: give a permission or ask a permission. Like a person is giving a permission to someone, or a person is asked a permission from someone. Here I have made one examples on these two situations. Like the first one, you may open the window when you are feeling suffocations, when you are feeling a bit suffocation. like you may open the window when you are feeling a bit suffocation. So here a person is giving a permission to someone. So look here, I will write it for you guys, that give a permission. This example shows give a permission to someone. The another example, that is like a person is asking about shoes, like from someone. May I borrow your shoes to play a football? May I borrow your shoes to play football? Like in fact a person don't have it and he or she is asking about shoes from someone. So he or she will come across like this statement, may I borrow your shoes to play football? So that's all about permission. So moving ahead from permission, here is the another situation, which is prohibition. So what does it mean by prohibition? Prohibition means you are not allowed to do something. Like look, you are not allowed to do something. So prohibition means you are not allowed to do something. Here I have made one example to make your concept clear. The example is you may not smoke in the passenger train because it irritates other guys. So you may not smoke in the passenger train. So moving on from there, here is the another thing, which is speculate about past action. Here is another complicated word which may be for you, that is speculate. Speculate means to guess about something, or to think about something, or to assume about something. Here I have made one example on it to make your concept clear. Your commit may have offended her, or you can also make another example on it, like that she is got late, she may have missed her bus, or she may have missed her train. So that's all about guesses, and that's all for today's lesson. If you found this lesson was beneficial for you guys, so just go and like it and share it with others. Maybe they will also take a lot of benefit from it. See you next time and see you with another important lesson. So bye bye and wish you best of luck and take care of yourself a lot.